when you want to draw the large face partially, there's a tendency that you can draw the face out of proportion. But in that case, there's a solution. You can paste another paper here to draw the bigger face. If you try to draw bigger face partially, sometimes this kind of thing can happen. If you draw the entire face, you can avoid this kind of thing. So that for now, as a solution, you can put the paper here. Let me draw the paper using this. So you can put another thin paper, like a copy paper like one here, like this. Of course, you should take off this one later. And you can draw the whole face by putting the paper here. So maybe you can draw the whole face like this. Oh, I can draw it very well. But what I want to say is that to keep the right balance, you can put the paper here to draw the entire face. Okay, like this. You can imagine there's the paper here. Maybe you can put small tapes here and here to fix it like this. So you can keep the balance, good balance, by drawing the whole face like this, like this. Sorry, I can draw it very well. It's terrible, but still you can try to do this. This one. Oh, I drew on the wrong layer again. Sorry. By drawing the entire face, you can keep the right proportion. It is difficult to draw the very big face, but still, compared with the case you drew only partially, you can keep the right proportion by drawing the entire face. And of course, after you finish drawing the face, you can take off this paper. Okay, so draw the entire face to keep the right balance. Entire face is better. And leave only this part by taking off the paper here.
If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call. We'll look at your idea or pages and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to finish a 16 to 24 page contest-ready one-shot. We only open a few spots each week, so if you want one, click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com, apply, and pick a time for your call.